That completes our tour of the collection types in Python, but we're not quite finished. Let's complete this module by looking at the protocols which unite these collections and allow them to be used in standard ways. In Python, a protocol is a set of operations or methods that a type must support if it is to implement that protocol. Protocols needn't be defined in the source code as separate interfaces or base classes as they would in a nominally typed language such as C# or Java. It's sufficient to simply have an object provide functioning implementations of those operations. We can organize the different collections we've encountered in Python according to which protocols they support. Support for a protocol demands specific behavior from a type. As you can see from this table, most of the collection types we've looked at support the container, sized, and iterable protocols. Many of them are also sequences. The mutable protocols are each represented by only one type we have encountered. The container protocol requires that membership testing using the in and not in operators be supported. The size protocol requires that the number of elements in a collection can be determined by passing the collection to the built-in len function. Iteration is such an important concept we're devoting a whole module to it later in this course. In short though, iterables provide a means of yielding elements one by one as they're requested. One important property of iterables is that they can be used with for loops. The sequence protocol requires that items can be retrieved using square brackets with an integer index, that items can be searched for with the index method, that items can be counted with the count method, and that a reversed copy of the sequence can be produced with the reversed built-in function. We won't cover the mutable sequence, mutable mapping, and mutable set protocols here, since we have only covered one representative of each protocol, so the generality afforded by the protocol concept doesn't gain us much at this juncture.